Housing demand keeps rising, while infrastructure struggles to keep up. Developers are ready to build, but limited capacity is holding them back. Conventional sewage systems can no longer meet today's development needs. Extending traditional infrastructure is costly and time-consuming. To build faster, innovative wastewater solutions need to be adopted. At Miranda Water Technologies, we created a new way forward. Miracell is a modular biological system that expands capacity beyond the limits of central infrastructure. It uses up to 80% less energy, requires minimal maintenance, and can be scaled as the demand grows. Miracell gives developers the flexibility to move forward without waiting for traditional expansion. Projects move faster, communities grow sooner, infrastructure evolves at the pace of progress. Miracell redefines how water infrastructure supports development. Flexible, scalable, and ready when growth starts. Transforming water, empowering growth. Miranda Water Technologies. Clean water, anywhere, anytime.